How to change Google phone number. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now I'm gonna first of all launch the Play Store application because I find it convenient, and then tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. Select on Manage your Google account, and here simply select on Personal Info. Now, as you select personal info, scroll down and here you can see the option of your phone. So simply select on phone. And as you tap on your phone, you can see the option of phone number. So simply select on that if you want to change it. And here tap on this pencil icon. So as you tap on the pencil icon, you can just tap on update number, and then you can just now erase the correct or current number over here, and you can just update a new number, and then tap on next, verify yourself, and then you'll be able to change your Google phone number. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.